Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily customize your invoice templates in QuickBooks Online so you can make them look professional, match your brand, and get noticed by your clients. This is the full 2025 guide, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to personalize your invoices step by step. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online login page. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In. Once you're in, you'll be at your QuickBooks dashboard, ready to start customizing. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select Account and Settings. This is where all your invoice customization options live. On the left-hand side, click the Sales tab. Inside this section, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Messages. Here you can control the email templates and the text that accompanies your invoices. Now the fun part. You can edit the default email message your clients receive, personalize it with your brand's voice, add payment instructions, or any other important details. Then move on to the email subject line. Make it clear and professional so your invoice gets opened quickly. A strong subject line can really make a difference. Once you've finished customizing, scroll down to the bottom and hit Save. This ensures all your changes are applied and ready to use for your next invoice. And that's it. Customizing your QuickBooks invoices is that simple. Now your invoices are not only professional, but also tailored to your business style. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.